So this is my favorite phase of operations, is actually loading the ferry. I can work this ferry load on and off. It takes a couple hours to really pull all the cars, you know, classify them down. Like on the right there, you'll see like they go down the brewery, like that's how they do it. And then they build a big string of cars and then they haul them off the island, Annacis Island, to the interchange with Canadian Pacific, CN or BN or whatever. And then this interchange goes obviously to the island. Okay, so do I have the finger on the emergency stop? Because I clearly did not a few weeks ago, and I lost one of my log cars off the back of a ferry. Because when in doubt, press emergency stop, the red button on the NCE cab control. Because I didn't put this on. See this? This is the coupler plate that I built like for that reason, but I didn't put it on. So that'll only happen once. Yeah, okay, so just in closing then, thanks for watching. This is just like I gave you a sample of the endless possibilities for operations that I have yet to, you know, build a spreadsheet on, but I'm really focused on building River Road right now and weathering cars, and because I think I stated that I don't want to put unpainted cars or locomotives on my layout anymore. It's just part of the narrative and story that I like to function under. So now I need to just say thanks again though, because I appreciate all the support. I know I took a bit of a break, or have been closing on some other work that I do in the summer. I change up a bit because I like to keep the skills up, like all my terrain skills, modeling skills, because really it's to sharpen me for this. That's really, you know, that's the means to the end. It makes me a better model railroader. So, okay, so thanks a lot for supporting the channel, and I'm almost like starting to slur now because I've gone all day, all afternoon making this video, and I love doing it, don't get me wrong, but I've just been dragging my butt all day. I need another coffee or something. Okay, so cheers, happy modeling, and I hope you have a great day.